How to use Metal TV on Mac. Here's how to get Metal working again step by step, even though official support has ended. Step 1. Metal has officially discontinued Mac support, but if you previously installed it, you can still run it. Just know it may no longer receive updates or bug fixes. Step 2. If Metal does launch, open System Settings, Security and Privacy, then Privacy. Make sure Metal is checked under Screen Recording, Input Monitoring, and Accessibility. Click the lock and hit Quit Now to apply changes. Step 3. Now reopen Metal. Try recording gameplay or your screen. If it fails to clip or misses audio/video, keep reading. Step 4. Many Mac users rely on AirDrop. Record clips on Mac, then send them to your iPhone. From there, open the Metal mobile app to upload and share. Step 5. Open the Metal app on your iPhone or iPad and go to the Uploads tab. Here you can import your AirDrop clips, edit and publish directly, all without the Mac app. Just a little heads up, the Mac version is no longer maintained and may not record properly even with the right permissions. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.